Here we have a Chrysler Crossfire, and this is the third brake light. If you need to replace this light, what you need to do is open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, you need to remove this plastic trim cover right here. It has several plastic retainers all around. These need all to be removed. You also need to remove this Torx screw right here. That's a T20. You can use a flat screwdriver to remove all these retainers. Now once you remove all the retainers, one last thing you need to do is press on this right here so you can release this cable. Like so. And then you can remove the cover. Once you do that, then you'll see you have about 3 Torx T20 Torx screws right here. The other one is right over here. Then you have further one on the other end. So you can remove those 3 and then you can pull out the brake light.